Hi, in this section, after configuring distribution on R3 and 12 in previous section, we face routing loops for Reno site on R9 for loopback 1 of 10, 6 and 7. If I do show up route for loopback 1 of R10 on R9, this is loopback 1 and R9. This is now via EIGRP 170 and last update via this interface, this one. Before the distribution on R3 and R12, we had the distribution on R1 for Reno site, and this distribution was BGP into EIGRP. This one, this interface. We had BGP into EIGRP. Okay, let's see on R1. This is the distribution on Reno side. Then on R9 we could see a loopback 1 of 10 as iBGP with administrative staff of 200. But after the distribution on R3 we did EIGRP. We did EIGRP, which is this one, into BGP. Then on R12 we did BGP into EIGRP. This is R12 showrun pipe section. What is EIGRP? This is BGP. Then the route, then this BGP route, after we distribute BGP to EIGRP, this route of loopback 10 is fading back. This is fade back into EIGRP as administrative staff 170. This is external EIGRP route. External EIGRP route, external 170. We had internal BGP as 200. And 170 is less than iBGP 200. Then our node will choose external EIGRP as internal iBGP. But if we remove the distribution on R3 and R12, we will see BGP200 because we had redistribution into ERGRP with start loopback 1. Now if we sharp root, this is BGP as I said before. Last update from this one, then after changing sharp with SPF. Okay, now I see ERGRP. This is loop. Before we had this IBGP, but after the distribution of 3 and 12, we see this loop back 1 of R10 is fading back inside ERGRP by R12. Good. This is administrative distance problem. There is one rule that we should keep in mind. This is administrative distance routing rule. We should always prefer internal routes over external routes. These are internal routes. Here is IBGP 200 for after redistribution R1. This is internal route, and our external route is ERGRP, external ERGRP. Okay. Whenever internal route has a higher AD than external route, we have to be careful. For example, the internal route has lanet from RIP and the external route lanet for through ERGRP. Where internal route was lanet through BGP, this is our intersection, and the external route is lanet from ERGRP, external ERGRP. Okay, we can fix this routing loop in 3 ways. One is to decrease AD of internal route, or increase the AD of external route, or do summarization on R1 for ERGRP. We can decrease internal route on R9. For example, we have 170 for external ERGRP and 200 for internal BGP. We can decrease AD of internal route. We can decrease BGP, for example, to 150, or we can increase external route. For example, we can increase 170 to 210. Okay, let's increase our ERGRP route on R9 for external ERGRP. and now we see this is EIGRP and this is learning from this interface. Now I want to increase external route. Config T do shutdown pipe section with a EIGRP. This is admin distance. We have to go to topology base and there is one common distance EIGRP. This is for internal 90. Okay, let's see. We have internal, where is internal? 90. This is some. If we do summarization, it will change to 5. Internal is 90. And okay, let's see. 90. We have to change external. This is 170. For external, we have to increase to over 200. For example, 210. 210. Okay. Now if I do show IP route, this interface. Okay, now via BGP. (6666). This will fix our routing loop here. Okay, let's change. Let's remove this one and do EIGRP summarization. This is one way. Let's do summation on another one. Another one. Shutdown pipe section. The EIGRP. Okay, let's see what show IP route. If I show IP route, this one. This is BGP and redistributed via EIGRP and advertised by EIGRP. This is EIGRP and okay, we can do summarization. This route, each distance is 20. Let's do summarization. What else to? Oops, conflict. This is admin system EIGRP. We have to go topology base and oops. Okay, summarization. And this is not in topology base. Okay, we have to go. I have to go this interface level. This one to show IP interface brief. Okay, this one AF interface, then summary address. Okay, summary address 152.2.20 mask of 245.0 245.245.0.0. Okay, I did summarization for this network 150.20/16. Now if I go here and to show, okay, it will fix this looping. Okay, to test. So this one. Okay, this will fix this loop. Okay, this was administrative distance loop. For quick summary, first we did redistribution on our WAN. We did redistribution BGP into ERGRP. Before we did it on 10 and 12. Now could see loop back 1 of 10 as BGP, internal BGP 200. Then we did redistribution on R3. We redistributed ERGRP into BGP on R3, and we redistributed BGP into ERGRP on R12. Then the route was fading back into ERGRP as external ERGRP 170. Then our NAN had to choose 170 over 200 because this is lower. External ERGRP is lower than internal BGP. To fix this issue, we had three options. We had to decrease internal route, decrease this 200 lower than 170, or we could increase external route, external distance or external route. For example, we did we increased 170 to 210. Then the third option was to do summarization on R1. We did this both options, and we fixed the routing loops. One important note is that increasing external route is better than decreasing the internal route. This is better. Increasing the area of external is more optimum, more safer than decreasing the area of internal route. We did these two options and we fixed it. I hope you have enjoyed this video.